Welcome to Intelligent Bee. She likes to read books in the evening. We play football on Saturdays. He works at a bank. I don't drink coffee in the morning. They don't live in London. Does she study every day? He doesn't go to school on Sundays. Do you like pizza? The cat doesn't sleep in the afternoon. Where do they work? My brother doesn't want to eat vegetables. What time does she wake up every day? The train leaves at 8 a.m. every morning. Why doesn't he play football after school? They visit their grandparents once a month. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Did you learn something new? Drop your favorite word in the comments, and see you in the next video.